I'll be going down. Oh, I don't know what to do.
I'm excited. I don't know what I'm getting, but I'm so excited. So let's go. Let's go see. Hi, I'm sure you're supposed to go. Why are we so excited? What are we seeing? By the way, just to let you know, today's my birthday. Happy birthday, Beyonce. Beyonce. Happy birthday, Beyonce. Happy birthday, Beyonce. And what delivery, what were we gonna see, what were we expecting? I didn't expect anything. Anyways, I'm gonna start. So first, flowers. I received these as a pre-birthday gift presents from Ayanda Bandit. She gave me these, and luckily, and I didn't put them in a vase or anything yet. And she said that I could do that, like they could last me for 2 months and whatever. So I don't need to put them in a vase right away. And I was like, thank you so much. And also yesterday we went to the movies. We spent some time together, you know, pre-birthday gift, not pre-gift, but like a pre-birthday celebration activities, nyana, you know, and with our other friends also. And then wait, there's 2 big things. Drum roll, please. 22 with no kids. We are 22, my babies. We are 22. 22, my loves. 22. So this is what I received. Ngize color, guys. Ngize color, but anyways, thank you so much for my lovely flowers. Oh my god, I love my flowers. I swear, Beyonce for real. And then another big one, drum roll please, is my coffee machine. I just so sad that I do not have one for the life. Man, guys, I don't. Yo, guys, I'm not strength for this thing. But let me try to show it to you. A coffee machine. I got the white one, of course. Got inspired by Ayaga. We went together and we had this amazing experience at the coffee Nespresso. Nespresso, what is it? Nespresso? I think so. So it was lovely. I was like, I would love to have this in my place, you know? So I got it for myself. Plus, it was like birthday money. You know, they were like, go get yourself something cute, something nice. So I was like, let me get myself a new cute, you know. I'm also getting myself a bag. So it's spoiling myself twice. Wardrobe spoiled. My place spoiled. Kobe spoiled. I also got a vase. As you can see, I have flowers. I didn't want to buy another vase because guess how much this vase is? At H&M, I'm not saying anything bad about H&M, but at H&M it's 200 and something. Pep home, my dear. Pep home. Yebo. Angbo 39 rands. Do you see? I also got. I'm using my phone because I'm thinking. I also got 2 of these. I know they look, but they pink. They have this pinkish color, but now they're not really showing. I think I saw it in the store, but now I'm no longer seeing it. Hey, maybe it was the lighting there. Got these for the soap in my bathroom, for the soap and my lotion after like washing your hands, drying your hands. Yes, so got these 2. And then I don't know if I showed this, but I think I did. I haven't unboxed it yet. Let me see if I can unbox it quick. Otherwise, if it needs scissors, then say yeah, I end up here. Now I have to check if they're not broken or what. Otherwise, yes, but said, oh, these are so tiny, but it's fine. Oh, these are so tiny. What did I just buy? But anyways, I got these. They're so tiny. I don't know what I expected, but I don't know how to feel. They're so tiny, that's the thing. But I don't want anything big. So, yeah. I don't know if I showed this. If I didn't show it, I will cut it out. If I did show it, I'll cut it out. But so far, yes. Also got this pillow thingy from another pillow because I have that pillow. Do you see it? But manje ihlala kanje, it needs umncedisi ozobamba le couch. And I have these ones are for these chairs. So I had to get another pillow, get it a friend. So now, ta-da, you have a friend. You get a friend, you get a friend, you get a friend. Anyways, yes, so far those are my birthday gifts from people, but also like from myself to myself. Yeah, because most of my gifts are really like bags, clothes, and I know that it's bags and clothes because the people who have bought them sent me tracking numbers. They put my numbers for the orders, so I know this is yes. So I was like, instead of buying myself like all these things, I'm already getting them. Why not buy myself home appliances? And then Anna didn't just like buy me flowers. She bought me a self-care package. So I will open that later. Let the birthday celebration begin. I think it's Opela, maybe end of May. Who knows? But this vlog is will end at next week. Like today is Friday, it's a holiday. Then the whole week next week I'm going to be celebrating my birthday. Yama. So it's gonna be going on. So maybe weekend country I will drop the birthday vlog. Don't. Otherwise, shout out to everybody supporting me. Shout out to everybody making my birthday special. Morning. And today I am going to guess where we're going. Anyways, I'll show you on the way. But today is the day of the trip. So yeah. Let's go. We're traveling. It's not a travel vlog, but yeah, it's like a birthday. It's a birthcation vlog. No, a birthdaycation vlog. No, my birthday plus the cation together. Yes, but anyways, let's go. Let's travel together. And yeah. On the road, by the way, having my ride home. I slept the whole time way. Good morning, y'all. Good morning, good morning. It is officially day one of the trip. And I wanted to say this trip is for relaxing, calming down, and just unwinding, you know, in the middle of the way. I wouldn't say no internet. There's internet, but like no TV, nothing. It's just unwinding. So like, yeah, up my birthday vacation. Yeah, trip. It's going to be just about me. Yeah, just me. Anyways, the plan for today, since we do not have food, I think the plan for today would have been just like chilling, but we don't have food. We have nothing. And the last time I ate something was like, no, I'm lying. But before we found something, the last time I ate was like yesterday, and was that chicken food over. So yesterday we were so hungry at night, so hungry. We searched through the bag, and luckily, day before yesterday, I bought those microwave popcorns. So yeah, we found them in the bag. I actually forgot, and I bought them for movies, like just in case we just wanna, or maybe I don't know, just like unwinding and we have a little snack. And I just got them. And today's all I was savor. Anyways, today we have to go and go buy food. You know? And I'm not sure if we're gonna get breakfast outside or we're gonna come back and cook up breakfast. I think it's good to come back and cook up breakfast because now we're going to buy groceries. It's better to start eating them now so that when we leave, we don't leave things behind. So I don't know. We'll decide on that. And then, yeah, man, we're literally up the mountains in the middle of nowhere. No Uber Eats, no Ubers, nothing. So we had the popcorns, and they're still holding me right now. It's been 12 hours since I had them, I think. What's the time now? I don't know what's the time now, but it's quite, yeah. So maybe 10, let me just say 10, because maybe it's 9-ish. And maybe I ate them at like 11. 10 hours, okay, yeah, 10 hours. So, yeah, we're gonna get food, and then, yeah, and we couldn't even take the car to go buy food while we were hungry, go outside or anything like that, because we're in the middle of nowhere. Also, we didn't take the car up the mountain with us. We left it by reception, and reception is like 20, if not 30 minutes away from here, so we don't have a car. If we want to like go get the car so that we can go, we have to call them up so that they can fetch us and then go downstairs. I feel like they do not emphasize these mountains enough. Like, guys, they should say just 4x4s. Your car, your V-Class will not work here. Is the V-Class 4x4? Wait, let me ask. Okay, I'm back, y'all. Let's see. It's a 4x2, maybe. Unless Google it, pyramid. But can you long still, because if you know like what a peso, that's how when your backies, it's me what is doing back. Yesterday when we were like driving up here, I understood why. You see those TikToks where they test the bikes like on a hill that is like very steeper, so steep that you could not even climb it with your own feet. I understand now. That hill, this big, and it's so many cars fully 4x4 wheels up like that. And which other car? But Range Rover, what's is it, the Neverest or the Eros? When I wait, look for check. I'm from Kulmama. The thing is, I also don't know cars. Like, I don't know cars, but I know that like Mas Jordan's Fortune. Yeah, what. I don't think even the BMW X5 would survive. Even that wouldn't survive. It's big, but it's not big. It is a 4x4. Is it? Man. I guess I'm waiting around too. Point is, Your V-Class won't survive, X5 won't survive. They said that an X7 will survive, might survive, yes, will survive because it has that feature. But yeah, otherwise it's your Fortunes and your other bakkies, big bakkies, and your Range Rover Everest. I think I said that, Everest. I don't know if it's Everest or Neverest. You know, it is because big, 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 big bosses. Anyways, there you go, boss. My water is getting cold. I'm busy explaining in Dengeko. And then Mangbuyala, are we dressed? No. I think I'm gonna go back. Bed is quite cold until Uncle will say and then we can go buy, get food, and then I'll update you with otherwise, bye. And I'm done right now. We are done. Let me show you what I'm wearing. Shirts from Shein, pants from Zara, necklace from I think Forever New, I don't know. And these, and yeah, I look so good, don't I? Yes, let's go. Thank you. That was quick.
Stick is sweet, like making love on the dance floor. Baby, baby, never been like this before. Black chocolate coating, waiting for you to adore. Been waiting on him long enough. My hand out to him, lead it to the place where no one can erase that we were there. Let me in my love, set me loose and I'll go over and above. I can prove it, baby, grow me. but delighting, not debating. No fuss, frustrate, just dead and waiting. So give me to my love. He got one my mind always remind me of. Had a vision, we went back to remember then when we were at that baby last year. Oh, not shine, the gorgeous fool. If I'd have gone, have I broke some rules? Why am I mystified by your lips and your eyes that just go on and on and on and on and on? You'll never catch up.
Updates on the road. So they were like called us and said soon check with and stakang and then we told them that no stakang was still on the way. They were like, okay, sharp. Season assist piano because we saw what the thing is so bad. So manje spakile lana, they wanna try and help us like get through the mud and stuff because it is quite bad. Guys, they should emphasize what's here. But now they're gonna pull us a bit. I don't know what's gonna happen, but let me not say it, they're gonna pull us at the back. I will go back seats. Woo child, that was wild. But we are back after 2 hours. We're back. And now I just want to unpack everything we bought and then pack them, drink my medication and go sleep. I think it's 9 o'clock, guys. I think the way up here thing is it's so long. It's so long. Came so fast and they were I was scared, panicking. And they just did it so fast and I was like, I wouldn't have done that. If I was traveling all the way with my girls, we would be in trouble. We would be in trouble. I know for a fact. We would have panicked, done so many things, and it was so unnecessary. Just, if you know what to stay put and call help. So that they did it so fast. But male figures are very important. I mean, I know what my dad would have made, like, that's a man right there. That is a man right there. If I'm in trouble and in situations like this, speed dial. Anyways, let me pack up all these things so that I can go sleep. I'm not gonna have to drink my medication. And then let's finish. So here's everything we got. Some things we brought from home. So we also got some water and and drinks for the game drive tomorrow. So let me just pack everything away. And everything is packed away. So bye. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Morning, y'all. Morning. So today is day 2. Day 2 of the birthday getaway, and let's go make breakfast. Today the plan is to go to a game drive, and then right now we're gonna make breakfast, and then we're gonna shower, get dressed, get ready, and then go to the game drive, and then hopefully later on we can go to the common area because they said that we're alone for the past 2 days. The day when we arrived and yesterday and today, then tomorrow other guests are arriving, so we want to experience the common area before everyone arrives. So let's go make breakfast.
flame yourself.
Come on and take me where you wanna go. Please just make it a place that I don't know. What we have here is for sure. We don't have to. You all just gotta know. We can party through the night. With you here, I surely am alright. I know
I'm gonna wait.
you like it. So baby, don't be shy. Don't be shy. Bringing out my inner child. This is a soul cafe. Love everybody. It comes in your body. It's not just a party. This is a soul cafe. That no boring. Content in your body. That music suit your heart. Something to brighten up your day. You gotta hear me when I say this is the only place you'll come. Excuse me, DJ, on the go do your thing and make us give us a piece of what's inside, so we can feast and drink on. Open up your heart and live just a little bit. Don't worry about tomorrow, it's out of your hands right now.
Day 2, and today we are going to the game drive. Head it up now. Let me just quickly show you my outfits. Oh, I don't think you can see it. Let me quickly lower this. Okay. So, sort of mini skirt, short thingy, boots out. This. So yeah, this is the outfit. Let's go.
Insane. Here you go. Disabled over young. And the sun, that last little bit of the sun goes so fast. Disappears around those mountains so quick.
Anyways, let me just pause this. I was watching Netflix or like Coke, but yeah, I made. Let me just show you. Okay, also, we got back from the game drive and then we went to the common area because yeah, we just wanted to check it out. Now we decided to see let's cook and then we're gonna go to the common area and just like show and watch with Netflix and stuff. So yeah, and then we're gonna sleep. Then tomorrow is the quad bikes. I don't know, with this weather, I don't know if I'm excited or not because today I definitely felt it. It was amazing though. I feel like it was very distracting. I couldn't even feel the weather until we were headed back. I'm like, yeah, this wind is hitting me. But anyways, now I'm done. While I was doing that, I was sipping on my mimosa, so I'm done. And I want to finish dishing up and then so that we can head to the common area. Yeah, I think that's it for the night. Hey, I think there's nothing more to share. Anything. I'm so exhausted, guys. Go young, but yeah, you know it's okay. Let me show you what I cooked. So this is what I made for today. Yeah, clock it. See, looks good. Woo! Hi. So, don't mind my sitter. It's not iron because they don't have irons here. But anyways, jacket from Fushimi, diesel from wherever. I think diesel. Ties from Mr. Price, shoes from Nike, heaven from Shein, face from my mom. Yeah, thank you. Oh, hair from Mama MK. Love.
You want a bottle of water while again?
She's playing my song. Check BBM, and you will see her status says she's playing my song, playing my song, playing my song. Her status says she's playing my song, playing my song, playing my song. Her status says she's playing my song. She sends a message with hearts and smiles. I love her pro pic. My girl got style. She writes from home with her time is cool. Or from the lecture when she's at school. I got her number, but we still chat, exchanging pictures and sending tracks. But to my surprise, what do I see? Her status says that she's playing me. Yeah, yeah. And you will see. Her status says she's playing my song. Check BBM, and you will see. Her status says she's playing my song. Playing my song. Playing my song. Her status says she's playing my song. Playing my song, playing my song. Her status says she's playing my song. I got a message at about 9. It read, "Good morning, baby. Time to rise and shine." Come on and take me where you wanna go. Please just make it a place that I don't know. What we have here is for sure. We don't have to. You just gotta know. We can call Baby, I'm alright. I know you like it, like it. So baby, don't be shy, don't be shy. Bringing out my inner child. This is a soul cafe. Welcome everybody. It comes in your body. It's not just a party. This is a soul cafe. Let go of your worries. Time to move your body. That music soothe your heart. Yeah, yeah. Someday something to brighten up your day. You gotta hear me when I say this is the only place to go. Excuse me, DJ, on go do your thing and make us give us a piece of what's inside, so we can feast and drink on. Open up your heart and live just a little bit. Don't worry about tomorrow, it's out of your hands right now.
Hi guys, so today is our last day on the birthday getaway. Tomorrow we are leaving, and yeah, today we'll be also unboxing my gifts, you know, saving the best for last. Yeah, and yeah, let me just like catch you up on what we did today. We had a spa session. More spa comes to us, you know, and then yeah, we had a mini braai because we woke up quite late also, so we couldn't have breakfast. So yeah, we just had a braai. And let's get into the unboxing of the gifts. Okay, so first gift that we're gonna be doing is from Ayanda, which was a pre-birthday gift. And it also came with flowers. I think I did show. Yeah, it came with flowers. So it came with these. Oh, but this is a vitamin C mask, brightening, and it's a hydrating mask. That's what I know, you know. And we got a diffuser from also having it. And when I asked, I was like, this should be in my bedroom because like it says sleep is in the air, so I'm thinking this is for my bedroom. I'm not sure. And then she also got me a pampering foot kit. I wanted that, and luckily today I got a foot scrub also, so why not continue the pampering. And then I got a salt bath. Unfortunately at my place I do not have a bath, you know, so I don't know, I'll use it when I'm back home or somewhere else, I don't know. And then I also got this. So this is a body wash and a body wash. Yeah, this one is for rejuvenating. This one is for nourishing. Yeah, guys, I'm not the best at pronunciation, okay? Yeah, And let's get into second gift is from Shirley, which was also a pre-birthday gift. It was a pre-birthday gift, and no, it arrived after my birthday. It's just that, yeah, she let me know that she has bought something for me and it's coming in. She gave them my number. I was like, cool. They never called me though. I just had to go fetch it from downstairs. Let me just like quickly sort this out and I'll be back. Yeah. I'm so excited. I think all my birthday wishes, man, came true, eh? I wanted bands, a trip. Yeah. So I was like, all my wishes for my birthday came true. Love it so much. Super grateful for you guys, for everyone. And it's pink. And it's pink. Oh, I thought it would be smaller though. I like. And it's pink and it's big. There she is. Can you see that? Comes with a mini. Ooh, child. I didn't know that. Comes with a mini wallet. Yeah, on the side. Looks good too. Ooh, these things. I need scissors next to me. Yeah, it comes with this mini purse wallet, you know. I've been wanting one for quite some time now. And then this I'm getting is the thingy. And yeah, I don't think I'm gonna open it any further because we have more to unbox. So here's the first bag. Thank you so much, Shirley. And it's pink. And it's baby pink at that. Thank you so much, my love. I'm included, but I have to. This was a gift to myself and it's already unboxed, but it is. Yes. Thank you to me. Yes. Also, I thought it would be smaller, but it wasn't. But it isn't actually. Ooh. I actually didn't open it here. Like I said, man, I said it. I just want bags for my birthday. But yeah, this is from me to me. I thought it would be smaller. I thought it would be like, I don't know, smaller, something, you know. But I'm guessing like I'm getting big bags for my birthday. And I'm super grateful for them. Thank you so much. And yeah. Lastly, save the best for last. I cannot get over my excitement on this one. You are over the moon. I love all my gifts. I appreciate them so much. You know? It just shows what's in Dia's hand, oh man. But yeah, this one is last. And I just want us to take a minute to absorb it in, you know? And then let's open it. I don't know. Let me just get back. I just didn't want to ruin the packaging, you know? But bang. Oh. I can't get over my excitement. Let's open it. Okay. Let me calm down a bit. Do you see that? Do you see that? Here's the thingy. Where is it? I need my glasses. Yeah, here. Should I open it? I should, ne? Let me just. My first time opening my new bag. You know? Ngikwazi guys, kumele uvule yazi mhlambe nje kunemali ize new opportunities. Oh, okay, this is just no price tag asisekhona guys. I always say exclude the price tags because now ndazi ukuthi ndiyi-cheapskate. Cheapskate. I don't think I want to show the price. If you know the bag, go to the website and search it. Otherwise, I am super grateful. Super grateful. I don't know if I'm going to use this bag. That's the thing about me. If something is so, you know, I'll keep it as. But I feel like the people who got it for me, which is Mama NK and my lovely man would want me to use it. So I think I'm gonna use it. Yeah. Plus it's small, you know? I could wear it with this outfit, so many outfits. I love the gold. You know, I'm a gold person. Gold jewelry. The only time I wore silver is when I was wearing that pink top because it has silver buttons, so it's makes it to match. But otherwise, guys, yes, yes, yes. Super grateful. Thank you so much, Mama MK, and thank you so much to my lovely man. I will definitely take care of this bag. Yes, everything. I think no, I wanted to check if I was showing the price, but I wasn't. But anyways, one more time for the bag, for the bag, for the moment. She is the moment, honey. She is. Anyways, let me see the strap. That's me. When I pull up with this, just know what's it. As in, you tackle serious, as in, I see, let's go for lunch. And I pull up with this one, just know what's it. Yeah, I see you. But look at that. It goes. It just goes with everything. It just goes with every, you know? Thank you so much. I love it. I love my bag. My new bag. Yeah, I'm gonna make those sounds, the TikTok sounds. I just put my new bag in my old new bag. Yeah, if you get it, you get it. But nah, I get it. Otherwise, that is the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much to the people who celebrated my birthday with me, those who wished me a happy birthday. I really had an amazing birthday. Those who went a long way to make sure that I was happy on my birthday, you know. Thank you so much. May God bless you. And shout out, man. Yeah, bye.
Said I'll be going